Once upon a time, there was a lamb. One day, he said to himself, I am old enough to look after myself. So, one evening, when the flock was going back home, his mother called, but he paid no attention. He kept eating grass. When he lifted his head, the flock was gone. What? Is that a lamb? I think he is all alone. Please, Mr. Wolf, he said trembling. I know you are going to eat me. But first, sing me a song. I want to dance and be happy before I die. Okay. Just one song. Then, he started singing. The shepherd's dogs heard the wolf. They started running to attack him. Oh, my God! The dogs heard me. I must run away to save myself. And the lamb returned to his mother. Moral of the story: to be safe, you must always obey your parents.